The 2025 BMW M5 marks a bold new chapter in the history of performance sedans. With a heritage rooted in motorsport and a reputation for delivering thrilling driving dynamics, the latest M5 brings together raw power, hybrid efficiency, and the kind of design language that makes a lasting impression on the street and the track. This year, BMW has taken a leap into electrified performance, introducing a plug-in hybrid system that doesn't just hint at the future but charges straight into it. Under the hood lies a reworked 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a powerful electric motor, producing a staggering 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid setup allows the new M5 to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3 seconds flat, while still offering an electric-only driving mode for those quiet urban commutes or low-emission zones. Visually, the 2025 M5 is an aggressive evolution of BMW's modern design philosophy. It retains the muscular proportions of the previous model but adds sharper lines, wider fenders, and a more prominent interpretation of the kidney grille that commands attention without being overdone. The M-specific details, from the unique front and rear bumpers to the aerodynamic elements and quad exhaust setup, all work together to communicate performance. The optional carbon fiber roof helps reduce weight up top, improving the car's center of gravity, while also giving it a stealthy, motorsport-inspired aesthetic. Inside, the M5 is more high-tech and luxurious than ever. The cabin is centered around BMW's curved display, which merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless panel powered by iDrive 8.5. This system supports voice and gesture controls, wireless connectivity, and customizable M-specific displays that change depending on the selected driving mode. The sports seats are heavily bolstered yet supremely comfortable, wrapped in premium leather and optionally trimmed with contrast stitching and color accents. There's ambient lighting, a Harman Kardon or optional Bowers Wilkins sound system, and plenty of fine materials throughout the cabin, blending performance-oriented ergonomics with a true sense of luxury. What truly sets the 2025 M5 apart, though, is the way it drives. With BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, it offers incredible grip and confidence. Whether you're launching hard on a straightaway or slicing through tight corners, drivers can select between rear-biased AWD or pure rear-wheel drive for more playful handling. Adaptive M suspension ensures the car stays composed at high speeds while still soaking up imperfections on the road. The M5 also features regenerative braking to help recharge the battery, and customizable M modes allow drivers to fine-tune throttle response, steering feel, suspension stiffness, and even the level of electric boost from the hybrid system. Despite all the technological upgrades, the soul of the M5 remains intact. It's still a car that delivers the adrenaline rush of a supercar with the practicality of a luxury sedan. The hybrid powertrain doesn't dilute the experience, it enhances it. The instant torque from the electric motor eliminates lag and adds a new layer of responsiveness that pairs beautifully with the raw strength of the V8. It's the best of both worlds: brutal acceleration and silent cruising, high performance and everyday usability. BMW has also ensured that this M5 remains usable as a daily driver. There's a usable trunk, comfortable rear seating, and enough creature comforts to make it a genuine long-distance cruiser. The hybrid system doesn't take away space the way some plug-ins do, and the electric range, while not groundbreaking, is sufficient for short trips without burning fuel. And when you want to unleash everything it's got, the M5 responds with a roar that reminds you this is still very much a member of the F family. From design to drivetrain, the 2025 BMW M5 represents a turning point. It's a showcase of what's possible when tradition meets innovation, where electrification doesn't mean compromise, and where performance is not just preserved but amplified. This is not just another fast sedan, it's the next evolution of the M legend.